So, the journey continues. We're just about to leave Ban Phai and head through the region of Isan towards Nong Bua Lamphu, and we are planning to see Wanchai, Nidnoiy's, or one of Nidnoiy's brothers. He's poorly, so we're going to go and visit him and say hello, and yeah, see how it goes. Well then, I suppose it would be rude not to have a little look around the grounds here at the Inpawa Hotel before we shoot off on our next journey. So come on then, let's have a little stroll around the grounds. The Inpawa, by the way, Inpawa Hotel here in Ban Phai, absolutely rammed. Absolutely rammed. Look at all these motors. Car park is full. Absolutely full. We tried, well, we rocked up here last night and made an inquiry, tried to get a room, but yeah, they were chock-a-blocked. The only room they had was a studio, did he say? No, suite. The only room we had was a suite. So yeah, we didn't. Sawasdee Cup. Good morning. Yeah, so we didn't go for that. I think they wanted 3,000 baht or 3,000 something. Yeah, we actually stayed over the road, which has the same owner. Wanchai. Yes. Who wants to stay at the Inpawa when you've got the Wanchai literally right opposite? You can use all the facilities, not there is much, but the parking's probably the main one. You can use the parking. Pretty simple place, not much to it. No lift. I mean, you're never going to come here, are you? You're never going to stay here in Ban Phai, in all likelihood. But yeah, let's check it out anyway. Welcome to the Wanchai Hotel in Ban Phai. Right. Show you around then. Nice, clean, simple bathroom, shower, which worked fine. Some simple shampoo and soap and whatnot. Lovely, clean and clear mirror to see your ugly mug in. And here it is. Bit of a mess, sorry about that. But yeah, nice big bed, flat screen TV, and a little fridge. Just comes with a bottle of water, all for 600 baht. What is that in English, I hear you saying? What is that in English? That is about kind of 14 quid, 14 pounds, something like that. Right, time to get off. Thank you, little 600 baht a night room, about 14 quid. Bloody bargain. Take it up, thank you. Rush hour in Ban Phai. Nidnoiy crossing the road. Oh, well done. Well done, mummy. Oh. Yep.
Có cái bầu luôn đây.
Right, well, we've been to see Lung Chai. Lovely surroundings here. This hospital here in Nong Bua Lamphu. Beautiful surroundings. But yeah, it's not a place you want to end up, guys. So if you're traveling anywhere in the world, you know, especially Thailand, make sure you get your travel insurance. Make sure you're well covered, because you don't want to be ending up in a place like this. Right, let's hit the road. Alright, how are you getting on? Had the cup? Oh. It's been an absolutely knackering day today. Done a lot of driving today. Anyway, a few hours after we left the hospital, there in Nong Bua Lamphu with Lung Chai, we have arrived here in the Pruksa Garden Resort. Yeah, we've stumbled across this place, the Pruksa Garden Resort, here in the area of Phu Wiang National Park. It's alright, actually. Having a little mooch about. You know how it is. How much was it? We've got 2 rooms again. 2 rooms. 600 baht each. So again, same price as the other night. 600 baht, 14 quid, something like that. Bloody bargain. Of course it is. A large singer. Well deserved. Feels like I've been driving a lot today. I think I must have done about 8 hours. Anyway, that's the entrance down there. I'll show you a bit more of it. I'll show you a bit more, maybe do a proper walkabout tomorrow. I don't think we're going to get up to much tonight. Crack open the singer and I'm going to put my feet up. Just do nothing for an hour or so. Our rooms are just around the corner here. There's the old Nissan parked up. Ah, there's Mummy. Alright, dear? Here's our 2 rooms, 37 and 38. Oh, thank you, love. It's been just had a little walk around. It's been a long day, isn't it? Anyway, bye bye, Grandma. Bye bye, Granddad. Bye. Here, good night from Phu Wiang National Park.
Where they found dinosaurs bone.